So you can see this kind of mess over this way, over that way, and then over here. See, I'm the kind of guy that wherever I'm camping out, I like to keep it as clean and neat as I possibly can, so people realize that I'm not one of the guys going around throwing my garbage everywhere, absolutely everywhere. I'm not one of the people throwing my garbage and paper and whatever, not every single where out publicly and just making a mess everywhere. So this gives them a good idea, and I like to have a neat campsite anyway. Just it feels so much better. But there we go. You can see the difference here. And I think you can see the difference over here. Yeah. And people leave their paper and garbage and everything everywhere, and you know, it just makes it look so much better and makes people realize that you're not the messy one in the world. There's so many people that do that, it's not funny. So there we go. That's done for now, and I guess we can move on to another project here. So somebody came down here for a visit today, and I think you should check this out. I think you're going to like it. So I just got a phone call that my extra large propane tank has been refurbished and refitted and all ready to go. So that's cool. First of all, I have to go to the bank and get all the money out of the bank for them. And then on top of that, oh boy, this is going to be fun. Everything in the back of the truck here in the box, everything in here has to come out and go into storage. So we better hit the road. Yeah, we better hit the road and get on with that. Go to the bank and then hit the storage locker and then go down and get our propane tank. That'll be cool. I can't wait. Can't wait. Okay. Let's go hit the bank and then head off to the storage locker. Let's do this. Okay, let's go into the bank and get that cash. Get that cash. Okay, we have the cash in hand now. Let's go off to the storage locker and get rid of the stuff out of the truck. That would be a good idea. Oh my. Okay, let's get on with this then. Let's get on with this. Get this stuff out of here. So there we go. Just the bare essentials now. We got the generator, gas for the generator, and we got one spare tire only, just because you never know, right? So let's go get that new propane tank. Ciao. Okay, here's my virtually brand new propane tank for the truck. Dual tank. Isn't that great? It's got all brand new fittings, everything. Paint job, the whole bit. Fantastic, eh? Fantastic. Yeah. I love it. Let's get this in the truck. So they came with a little forklift there and lifted it up on the pallet into the truck like that. And I forgot to film it because my hands were busy trying to sort out all my stuff there. But that is cool. That is one sweet tank in there. We got to turn it side by side up in the front against the back of the box there, and that's where it's going to sit. And we got to go to North End Automotive to get all that done and get it all hooked up and raring to go. That's going to be sweet, having so much more fuel available. Ciao. Okay, we are back home again, and I can hardly wait to get out. Hardly wait to get out. All right, get out, girls. Come on, out, get out. All right, I can't wait to check on my new propane tank. It's been dreaming about it all the way home on the trip here. Yeah, this is great. This is fantastic. Oh, man. I just want to look at this and admire it. It's so beautiful and so large. So large. It's like about 206 pound tank capacity. Yeah, that's amazing. I can't wait to make the appointment down at North End Auto and to get it all hooked up and everything. I just can't wait to make that appointment and know that's going to happen. This is going to be great. I just love this thing. Just a beautiful color too. Yeah, factory refurbished. Yeah, so that's cool. If you're ever out in Arrington and you want some powder coating done of any sort, not just propane tanks, but any powder coating, give Jones Coatings a call. They're in Arrington, Jones Coatings. Remember that. Yeah, they're fantastic. So, yeah, this is really cool. I can't wait to get down there, make the appointment, and get this thing installed and get it full of propane and hit the road and go on a longer trip with this thing. I just can't wait to do that. That'll be great. And for factory refurbished, it's pretty much basically brand new again. And I got that for a really good price. Excellent price. I can't say enough about how good of a price I got on that. So there we go. Let's go and try and do something else today. Ciao. So after the awesome score on my propane tank, I thought I'd treat myself tonight. And I thought I'd just fire up the hibachi there, fire that up, and then we were gonna do some hot dogs there. Yeah, a bunch of them. And where I went, they were sold out of hot dog buns, so we're just gonna have to do the roll them up in bread trick. Yeah, but as long as I got my mouth stirred, As long as I got plenty of mouse turd, then I'm good to go. All right, let's fire this up and get on it. There we go. This is called a hot dog roll-up. Oh, I love hot dogs and campfire food. I just love it so much. Anyway, I guess that's another day for us, and I don't know if I'm going to sleep very good at night. I'm all excited about getting that tank today, and I'm excited about getting down there and making an appointment and finding out when I can get it all installed and hooked up and everything. That'll be really cool to do that. I go a lot farther distances in the truck without having to fill up so soon in between all the time. That'll be great. That'll be great. Oh boy. So I'm just going to finish off enjoying my dinner here, and we'll talk to you soon in the next video, okay? Ciao for now.
Blah, blah, blah.